Hello everyone, here is the animation for you. You can create this animation now in IBIS Paint X. You all wonder how it is possible to create animation in IBIS Paint X, right? Yeah, now you can create animation in IBIS Paint X app. In the latest version, there is also animation column below the usual canvas options. Here there are three different ratio size, and in each ratio size, each ratio column, you can choose the canvas of different size ranges, like pixel ranges. So here I'm going to use this SD size. So this is the biggest size for this ratio, 1:1 ratio. So here, also this is the 1:1 ratio and 9:16 ratio, or these two are in the paid version, and 3:4 ratio is of the free version. So now here you can see this is the frame, and here I can use so much layers for this single frame. So it's up to you how many layers you're using. So here, the first layer, I just filled the background with this color, and in the first layer, I'm going to make dark corners using the linear bond blending mode layer and the same color. So all the things that I'm going to do here are only for the first frame, and from the first frame I'm going to duplicate and I will creating new. So I'm not going the all this layer is for the single frame, just for 1 second, or you know 0.1 second, like that. So here you can see I'm going to keep this tutorial as simple as possible, because the main thing in this video is animation, how we can create animation, and that's why I'm not going to concentrate much on how to use these materials. So if for for a small explanation, just go to materials and search for the material you want. Here I'm going to create uh you know the the animation for Christmas wishes, just an usual like a Christmas card with blinking lights on the top. So the blinking lights are main hero of this video, because there we have to create the animation. All other things are going to be simple, and I'm not going to draw anything else here. I'm just going to use the default things available in the materials to create the card. So here you can see I chose to um, just search whatever you want. Here I used the Christmas tree theme, so I searched for Christmas, then I chose Christmas day, then snow, just adding this fence with the snow and all this thing similar to that. So adding one more layer of snow, and I'm going to move this layer to the bottom of fence. So now what else we can add? We can add gifts, snow, the background. So at initially, I added this snow, and at the end of the video, I'll be deleting this layer because I don't feel happy with this snow look, because it looks like too much of details inside this area. So now what else we can add? So I feel like everything red and dark like that. So I deleted this tree with the red details and added this tree with beach details. Now, so here we can add, what else we can add? I'm going to search Christmas decoration. So from that, I'm just adding the bills, Christmas bills. So, the best thing about IBS Paint X is you don't need to draw everything. Since you are a beginner, you can't do everything in hands, which takes so much of time. Also, it takes more time to learn and draw single things step by step. In that case, you can simply use these materials provided by them. There are, I don't know how much materials totally available in this app, but everything is, you can search everything, and you can get many materials that are related to your topic. So search for that. And here you can see, using the tree itself, I'm just adding the leaf like details at the top just by rotating and positioning like this. So it's also depend on how you thinking, and make 100 percentage benefit from the basic materials available. So now I'm adjusting and making it a little bit bigger. Now again, I'm going to add some gifts, because this is a Christmas card, Christmas animation. So adding gifts here, and I'm going to the bottom. So it's, it look like the gift is flying. So I'm going to add a little bit of snow here. Again, go to materials, add the snow, or if you want to reuse the materials that you need more often, then keep switch on the star symbol available at the top, which means it's going to be moved to the favorite option as well. In that way, you don't need to waste your time in searching the materials that you want. Instead, just go to favorites and get your materials from there. Adding snow here as well. Okay, almost the canvas is filled with the details, so I don't need this layer, so I just deleted. Now I'm going to add the text Merry Christmas. So for that, I'm going to keep the Merry as cursive and Christmas as capitals and bold. Here, using the mesh font, I'm just making the Merry as curvy like this, just by moving the anchor points. Question as you wish, and click the tick. You will get the option called rasterize and transform. Click on the rasterize and transform, and you will get like this. And this layer will not be a text layer anymore. And now I'm going to create a new layer. I'm going to use the text. By default, it's going to create a new layer, and here I'm going to choose the text fonts that I want. Actually like this half font regular. This difference. There is little bit different. There is a texture in this, so I'm using this font and keeping this. So this text is not at the center of the canvas. Instead, I just move to the right side like this. Yeah, now it's ready. Now I'm going to draw the main characters. So here I'm going to draw the serial lights, so blinking lights. For that, layer, I'm going to draw a line like this. Yeah. Then switch off the symmetry blur. Then create a new layer and make sure you use the air blending mode, because this is the lights, so it's going to glow and give some glowy finish. For that, keep the blending mode as add. So I'm using something like a yellow color, and the brush I'm using is airbrush, trapezoid 40 percentage. Draw like this. Since I'm using the mirror ruler, whatever I'm drawing on this side, means the left side will be added at the right side as well. So you don't need to draw once again on that side. And now I just duplicated this layer and using the glow outer filter to make the lights glow like this. Yeah. Now adjust the layer to make it glow as you wish. So everything about the first layer is ready. So now if I switch on the animation, then you nothing. And if you create a new layer, you have to draw everything once again. So don't do that. Click on this, duplicate this. Now the new frame is ready with the same details. So whatever layer we have in this frame will be available here as well because it is a duplicated one. Now we have to make changes in this duplicated layer. I also created another duplicate because we need three frames. All is going to be different. So in the first frame is going to be same, or the light details will be same. In the second frame, I'm going to erase the even number of lights in the light serial using the airbrush eraser. Now in the glow details as well, I'm going to erase like this. Yeah, now it is ready. Now you can see this is the second frame. And now for the third frame, I'm going to erase the odd number of lights. So in this is third frame, and all this layer going to be same, and I'm going to erase the odd number lights like this in both layers. Yeah, now it's ready. Now when you click on the animation, the lights start blinking. So that's what we want for this simple animation. So I'm also a beginner in animation, so it takes a time for me as well to create something difficult and beautiful animation. So now the animation is ready, and it is very small. It is very short, and here you can see there are so many options to duplicate and change the duration of the. If you change the duration, the blinking also gets slow. So keep the duration as same before, and like this. You keep that at 0, there will be no frame. So keep that at 1 if you want. Also change as you require. So now also go to animation settings. Keep this in loop in the play option, because when you click on the ping bang is okay with for this light or animation, but don't go for one shot. So one shot means it's going to be blinking once the till the 3 frame end, and once the 3 frame end, it's going to stop. So don't use that. Instead, go to the loop, and these are related to the on and screen that I will teach you in another new tutorial. So now it feels very short, but I'm going to save this animation and check how it looks. So here are some options. Don't go for single one shot, instead go for the ping pan here, and switch off the watermark on the videos. If you keep that watermark on, there will be a watermark called IBIS Paint X at the bottom of the video. So don't go for that. And here is the animation. So that is the picture. So that's the JPG picture, and here is the animation. Since it's 0.0 seconds video, it is very short. So I'm going to increase the number of frames here, just duplicating the 3 frames and arranging, moving them to the in the line, like 1 2 3 1 2 3, in that manner. So now we have 6 layers, and again I'm going to do the same process the same way. First layer, second layer, third layer. I'm going to duplicate all those and moving them to the back side. Now I have so many. Now I'm saving this as animation, and here we can see what happens. So make sure you switch on the ping pong and switch off the watermark. And here is the video that I already saved, and here is the new one. There is only a slight difference because this is just a blinking video. If you create something big animation, you will get some time duration. So if you like this tutorial, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.